taghiyawat, hindi lang problema ng balat. Minsan, problema din ng loob. Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. I'm bridging science and nature for your skin. Minsan, akala natin acne only comes from oil or dirt. Pero madalas, nagsisimula yan sa gut. Kapag stressed, kulang sa tulog, o puro processed food, nagkakaroon ng inflammation sa loob. Ito ang nagtitrigger ng hormonal imbalance at oil production. Kaya kahit anong skincare, babalik pa rin kung hindi mo aayusin mula sa loob. Support your body with good sleep, hydration, and a calming diet rich in probiotics and anti-inflammatory foods. And then sa labas, use gentle actives like cinamides or tea tree extract. Heal your skin inside out because real beauty starts with balance. Join my 2-day professional hands-on training this November 14 and 15. Limited slots lang. So type formulation in the comments below para makuha mo ang details.